Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off the team invites from strangers in Bloodstrike game. First of all, launch open the Bloodstrike game on your device and make sure you are inside the lobby page. Once you're in, go ahead and click on the settings icon at the top right corner. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on account and notice from the bottom left. Now, under notification settings, you'll see this receive team invite from a stranger option. Go ahead and tap on off right next to it. You can also go ahead and adjust other notification settings such as close friend online reminder and out of game notifications. So once you do that, you will be able to turn off the team invite from a stranger in the game. Now you'll only receive team invites from friends and recently matched teammates. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.